want to take a minute to talk about some functionality added to version 4.43 around lot numbers and lot number field links. One of the challenges that we identified when we added Business Central to our portfolio of integrations from Solomon, Great Plains Division, and also the QuickBooks piece we have. When we added Business Central, we found that Business Central's lot number field is longer than any of the ones, certainly GP and Solomon. And we found that we needed to expand that lot number capability. So in this version, what we've done is we've taken all of our lot numbers and expanded the largest field value. It was 25 characters, which was really consistent with a GP and Solomon integration, and we expanded that to be 50, which is Business Central. So really, this functionality we're talking about is really a Business Central function to support Business Central. So in this case, I'm just going to paste it in a lot number of 50 characters. You can see that 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 characters I can support. And if I try to put in that additional character, it doesn't take it. So you can see that that is actually at a 50 character limit. Now, this has been rolled out through the system, so I mean, I'm showing it to you in batch end items, but it's also in raw material lots, it's in byproducts, co-product lot numbers as you put those on hand. Really, any place that those lot numbers are there are ready for you to use. For the Solomon GP users, we just mask this field, so you can only, that way you're not going to be putting in a bigger lot number, longer lot number field than GP and Solomon can handle. So our GP Solomon users, don't worry about it. If you ever choose to go to Business Central, you'll be able to expand your lot numbers if that's important to you. I also did want to remind you that the lot number generation is something we added a few versions ago, whereas the system can default from the batch number. That's certainly an option, but it also has a lot more customization capability for auto numbering of your lots, keeping a batch number one way but a lot number being a different way. So look into that if you haven't already, but just know that the feature that was added here is we expanded the lot number field from what was limited by the Solomon GP integration to 50 characters. That also rolls out to our QuickBooks companies as well. Our QuickBooks inventory is unlimited lot numbers, but we've expanded that to 50. We think a 50 character lot number is pretty significant, especially when you can use alphanumeric capability. So we hope you enjoy that. Again, please give us feedback. Features like this are things that can help you make your product better. And thanks a lot and have a great day.